Good evening, this is Sharad Vats from Kanha National Park. I thought of sharing few points which are important before you get into the safari vehicle if you want to do photography. I think it's very important that you know your national park, do some research, find out about it, ask questions from people who are arranging your tour. You must know the terrain, you must know the kind of habitat, you must know the kind of tracks that the safari vehicle will be on. Besides that, it's very important that before you hop onto the safari vehicle, that you do some basic stretches. Because when you're sitting for 5 hours, 5.5 hours, and then suddenly when there is a tiger movement and you have to take certain positions inside the vehicle with very limited space, your body can cramp up. So it's important that you do some spine twists. It's important that you do some quads and some hamstring stretches. All this will help when you get onto the vehicle and when suddenly you have to move. You could be sitting in the front seat and suddenly you have to hop onto the one behind and take certain shots. Now let me get in and explain to you how to take low angle shots during a safari. Be with me. So, in fact, I'll take this particular seat. So if you're sitting like this here and the tiger is coming from behind, one option is that you just stand up and you place your bean bag or you just place your camera on this padding here and you take shots. Now, it's important to know that the tripods are just not functional in this safari vehicle in India. Monopods, yes, maybe not at times, but beanbag is one of your best friends to have while on a safari if you are into photography. Now, if you're done with these shots, but you aren't happy with the kind of angle that you're getting because the tiger is right below there, one way is to go low on the vehicle. So if you want a low angle shot of a tiger, so you basically have to go and sit on the floor of the vehicle, get yourself sideways out, place your camera here. Now this is only a 70-200 lens, but you could have a 300, 400, 500 and what you may have, and go down here and take your shots. Not very complicated. Hope this helps. Take care.